Hello, my name is Yuri. In this tutorial, I'll give you some tips for searching in your sales application. Notice that there are two separate searches. You use the global search at the top of the page to find all the information related to your search term. You use the searches in the different work areas to find the latest information on a particular object, such as an account or opportunity, and to maintain useful lists. Let me show you. If I want to find all the related information about a contact or another object, I use the global search. Notice that the application displays the recent items you accessed and your recent searches as you type. If you see what you're looking for, just select it. If you don't, finish typing the word and click Search. My search by contact name returns links to the contact record itself, the accounts where he is a contact, the opportunities he's involved in, and more. You can filter your search results, and you can drill down to display the record. If I want to find the latest information about an account or another object, I will use the work area search. I start by typing one of the words in the account name. I don't see the account in the list of recent items, so I finish typing the word and click Search. If I want to search by partial words, I can use a %, and I can search for the exact name by putting it in quotes. You can also search for accounts using multiple search criteria and create your own lists. The My Accounts list displays all the accounts I own. If I want to view just the accounts in California, I open Advanced Search and add the state as one of my search criteria. I can save the search as a new list, and I can click Default to make it display each time I navigate to the account's work area. Thank you.